In the silent, star-dusted darkness beyond the planets, a tiny emissary from Earth sails on, Voyager 2. For nearly half a century, this machine has been our eyes and ears in the outer solar system, venturing into the unknown between the stars. Voyager 2, no bigger than a car, carries the dreams of a world, witnessing sights no human has ever seen. It is more than metal and circuits. It is an extension of our senses, a silent ambassador to the cosmos, bearing a golden record, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic sea. We always knew its voice would one day fall silent as the plutonium powering its systems slowly decayed. Scientists watched as its energy dwindled, preparing for the inevitable end, a gentle fade into eternal silence among the stars. But in July 2025, the universe had one last surprise. In a quiet control room, a final, powerful burst of data surged from Voyager 2, clear, urgent, and utterly unexpected. This last message, from a machine on the brink of sleep, contained information so profound it has shaken our understanding of our place in the galaxy. Voyager 2, our most distant explorer, had one more story to tell. Its final gift, a revelation that opens a new chapter in our quest to comprehend the cosmos. Voyager 2's story began in 1977, launched to seize a rare planetary alignment, a grand tour of the outer solar system. Using gravity as a cosmic slingshot, it visited Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. An unprecedented journey. At Jupiter, it revealed the Great Red Spot and discovered volcanic Io. At Saturn, it unveiled the intricate dance of rings and moons. Voyager 2 became the first and only probe to visit Uranus, finding a tilted blue world with a strange magnetic field. At Neptune, it discovered the Great Dark Spot and imaged geysers on Triton. After its planetary odyssey, Voyager 2 set course for interstellar space. In 2018, it crossed the heliopause, entering the space between the stars, only the second human-made object to do so. From this new frontier, it sampled the interstellar medium, sending back data from a realm we had only imagined. Voyager 2 became a true interstellar explorer, continuing its lonely, silent vigil. Its journey was far from over. Voyager 2's lifeblood was its radioisotope thermoelectric generator, converting plutonium's decay into electricity. As its power faded, engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory made tough choices, shutting down instruments, conserving every watt. Communication became a feat of patience. By 2025, signals took over 18 hours to reach Earth, barely detectable by the Deep Space Network. Each command was a conversation across a 36-hour gulf, the faintest whisper in a cosmic storm. The team prepared for a slow fade to black, expecting the signal to vanish quietly into the background noise of the universe. The mission's end was to be a gentle farewell, a celebration of decades of discovery. But the universe had other plans. No one expected a grand finale. Instead, Voyager 2's final act would defy all expectations. The long goodbye became a moment of astonishment. The spacecraft's last transmission would change everything. Its story was not yet finished. On July 29, 2025, at the Canberra Deep Space Communication Complex, a routine tracking pass became historic. Analysts expected a faint trickle of data, but suddenly, the signal surged, stronger than anything seen in years. Alarms sounded as the data rate spiked. For 3 minutes, Voyager 2 spoke with impossible clarity. The spacecraft had rerouted its last reserves of power to the transmitter, bypassing safety protocols for a final message. This was a pre-programmed, last-ditch effort, never expected to be used. Then, as abruptly as it began, the signal vanished. Silence. Voyager 2 had spent every last joule to send this final packet home. Now, a silent ghost ship, it continued its journey into the galaxy. But it had succeeded. The urgent message was delivered, the task now to decipher what Voyager 2 had sacrificed itself to tell us. The world waited for answers. Voyager 2's final transmission was a dense burst of data from its most critical instruments, the plasma spectrometer, cosmic ray subsystem, and magnetometer. The plasma spectrometer revealed a sudden, massive increase in the density of the interstellar medium, 100 times greater than anything previously measured. It was as if the spacecraft had crossed into a violent storm, a sharp boundary in space. The cosmic ray subsystem detected a dramatic drop in lower energy cosmic rays, suggesting the dense plasma wall was filtering out these particles. The magnetometer showed a powerful, turbulent magnetic field, far stronger than expected. Together, the data painted a picture of a dynamic, violent structure just outside our solar system. This upended our models of the interstellar environment. We had assumed the space beyond the heliopause was calm and uniform. Voyager 2 proved it is anything but. The data suggested a massive unknown structure, perhaps a shockwave from an ancient supernova or a dense filament of a galactic nebula. Voyager 2's final act was to reveal that the space beyond our doorstep is dynamic, structured, and full of surprises. The universe is far more complex than we imagined. The heliosphere, our sun's protective bubble, was long thought to have a smooth, comet-like boundary. Voyager 2's discovery of a dense, turbulent plasma wall shattered this view. This structure compresses the heliosphere, making it smaller and more dynamic than we believed. It may explain long-standing cosmic ray anomalies and mysterious ribbon-like features at the solar system's edge. The implications are profound. This interstellar wall could alter the amount of cosmic radiation reaching Earth. Voyager 2's final gift was a crucial clue to our solar system's true place in the galaxy. Beyond the science, Voyager 2's journey is a deeply human story, born from curiosity, ambition, and the drive to explore. It represents the best of us, international cooperation, decades of collaboration, and a shared quest for knowledge. Generations of scientists have watched over it, passing the torch as new discoveries inspired new dreams. Voyager 2 has connected us across time, inspiring countless students and uniting the world in wonder. Its final signal was more than data. It was a chapter in an epic saga we all share. The universe is vast and mysterious, but Voyager 2 reminds us to keep asking questions. Its legacy is a call to continue exploring, to never lose our sense of awe. Though silent, its echo endures. Voyager 2 transformed the outer planets from distant dots into living worlds, writing the first detailed encyclopedia of the solar system. Its discoveries are the foundation for all missions that followed. The final message from interstellar space has opened a new field of inquiry, providing a concrete target for future research. Astronomers now use the data as a Rosetta Stone, guiding new observations and inspiring the next generation of interstellar probes. The challenge of exploring this frontier has galvanized the scientific community. Voyager 2's legacy is one of inspiration and perseverance. It stands as a monument to human curiosity, a permanent marker of our first steps into the galactic ocean. The journey it began will continue long after its voice has faded. Voyager 2's final message closes one chapter and opens another. We've glimpsed a complex, turbulent frontier just beyond our solar system. The data has sparked new questions and a challenge for the next generation. To truly understand this new region, we must send new, faster probes, missions built on the spirit of Voyager. This will require global cooperation, ambition, and vision. The rewards are immeasurable, expanding our knowledge and perspective as a species. Voyager 2 has passed the torch, challenging us to continue the journey. The cosmos beckons. Will we answer the call?